May of 2016, my wife of 25 years passed away, and I was pretty overwhelmed with the process of everyday life. And I had gotten a letter from Joe about he handled inheritance properties. So I gave him a call. Joe was extremely helpful in helping me and pointing me in the right direction for different contractors, helped me get my house in shape to sell it. He picked up the phone every time I called him, or he got back to me very quickly, which was amazing. Of course, it was a very stressful time for me, losing my wife of 25 years, and he made the process just really seamless. Pointed me in the right direction on some contractors. He actually handled the sale and got rid of my house. We made a good profit and did a nice job, and we worked together on it. It was just a terrific experience.